If you will stick with me just for a few more seconds, I'm going to be showing you this particular website, which I recently just discovered that you can make up to 300 or even up to 1000 per tax. And of course, these tax are just YouTube tax. So this is not like a survey website. This is not like listening to music. This is not like liking videos to make money. This is like a real task, like a real job. And if you're able to complete this job just within few hours, you are going to be getting up to this amount of money, which I have actually mentioned. As you can see on this on my screen right now, you can see jobs that are up for $250, more than $1000, $400, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be diving into this because I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. So I need you not to click away. Just hold on a few more seconds. I need you just to hold on. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually register on this website, how you can actually add your portfolio, and how you can actually get your first job. That first job might be the turning point which you actually need. So what you need to do with me right now is let's jump to my screen together, and then I'm going to be showing you everything which you need to know about this particular website. If you are ready, then let's do it together. So as you can see on my screen right now, I believe you can see this on my screen right now. I'm on a particular website named YTJobs, ytjob.co. I'm going to be linking this particular website in the description, so there's nothing for you to actually worry about. As you can see, there are jobs here which you can actually do for YouTubers, because there are some YouTubers who can't actually edit their video by themselves because they are actually busy and they have more than one or two YouTube page which they can handle alone. There are some of them that need you just to do copywriting for them. There are some of them that need you just for you to edit their video for them. You can see this particular one here is paying $450 to $750 for just one project per project. That is a lot of money. And you can see, you can also see someone paying 360,000 for just per year. This person is going to hire you for a full year and it's going to be paying you 36 to 48,000 for the whole year. So let's see how you can actually make money on this website and what you need to do. Of course, I'm going to tell you you need some design skill. It can be, you can be a graphic designer or a video editor or a script writer or a channel manager or YouTube strategist or script writer or creative director. These are the kind of skills you need. So if you have any of these skills, then you are good. If you don't have any of these skills, also these are something you can actually learn. So if you're on this website, you will see up here, you see join as a talent, post a job, because YouTubers can also post their job, talent and jobs. I'm on the job page because job is actually what we want to do on this website. So the first thing you need to do on this website is you actually need to sign up, and then when you come to the sign up page, it's going to show you do you want to hire or you want a job. So if you want a job, you just want to click on I want a job, and then you'll be on the option which you need to choose video editor, or if you're a thumbnail designer, and so on and so forth. This doesn't limit you to actually what you can do on this website. This is just for you to start with. This is just to create your portfolio. But because I already have an account, I'm just going to be logging in. I'm just going to be logging in real quick just for you to see. So just give me a few seconds for me to log in, and then I'll be showing you how the website actually look like. So I'm on the website. As you can see, this is my profile. I can quickly show you my profile. If you can see, I already did thumbnail designer, and then I was able to add some of my portfolio. I added my channel. Some thumbnails that I've designed for my channel, which you can also do. It doesn't have to be the thumbnail you've designed for your channel. Maybe something you've designed for actually another brand or anything. You just need to add the link. I'm going to show you how to do that. So on your profile, you just need to have your profile picture. You need to have your banner also, and then you need to link your previous job, the previous job if you have done. If you've not done any previous job before, I'm going to give you a trick which can actually help you to get your first job. So go on YouTube page, just look at any YouTube channel which is trending. Just go to their channel, design a beautiful thumbnail for their particular for a particular video on their channel, and everything you just need to do is, after you've designed it, write them an email and just like, my name is this, blah 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 blah, I would like to work for you, and here is a thumbnail which I designed for you. Even if you don't want to hire me, feel free to use my thumbnail on your work. So if this YouTuber sees your channel, they can actually use this thumbnail. You see, they can use this thumbnail for their video, and once you see that they've used the thumbnail on their video, all you need to do is copy the link to their video and just add this as your portfolio here, because of course you actually design the thumbnail. Sense will not kill me. So let's continue. So after you've done that and you have some portfolio which you need to add your portfolio, you just need to come here and just click on plus. When you click on plus, it's going to direct you to this particular page, and then click on plus again, and then you see it's asking you to link your previous job which you've done, and then you write a short description, and when you are done you click on save, and then you can add as many as possible because you need to showcase yourself, right? So add as many as possible to fill up your portfolio. So the person who is going to hire you can go to your portfolio and then see what you've done previously. If you've done that and you've set up your full profile and everything is good, you will see also here, it will always show how many videos you added and how many views that particular video which you added, which it got, and the likes it got. So when you are done with that, then let's jump to how we actually want to make the money. So if you go under jobs, after you've completed your profile, if you go under jobs, there are categories of jobs, as you know by now. So you can choose the category of the job which you want. Let's say I'm going for a thumbnail designer. I'm going to pick a thumbnail. You can see this particular channel. This particular channel has 1.4 million subscribers. That is what this particular channel have, and then they are looking for a thumbnail designer. Imagine you actually design for this particular channel which has 1.4 million, and then of course they are going to be having massive views. You can actually check out their YouTube channel. You can check out their YouTube channel to see what they do, and then you design for them, and then their video is getting a lot of views. That is massive for you. There are other channels, their channels with 5.6 million, their channels with 4 million, 600 million. You can see Prince EA. I've known Prince EA for more than 10 years now, and he's also looking for thumbnail designer. His channel has 6.39 million, but we are not concerned about how much million their channel has. We just want the job. So if you think you are qualified for the job, all you just need to do is click on apply. When you click on apply, you will see, of course, it gives its language requirements. It says you must speak English. They also give their description, what they want you to do and what they expected from you. They put it there. But if you see that you are qualified for this, so this is another channel for thumbnail design, and then they're giving you this one here. They said you can just apply here on the form. You can actually click the form. When you click the form, open the form with a new tab, then paste it, and then you can fill up the form and then apply for the job. So this is like a big job, and for you to actually design a thumbnail, thumbnail, it might take you 3 hours. Sometimes I spend 3 hours, 4 hours to design my thumbnail, depending on the quality, and because I want the thumbnail to be catchy enough. So it can take you 3 hours. Imagine you actually design a thumbnail for 3 hours, and this person is actually paying you $400 for just one thumbnail. That is a lot. So you can come here, and then not just thumbnail, you can also come to video editor section, and you see the jobs that are listed. Some of them they already put the prices they want, and some of them they don't put the prices. Some, you can see this is a small YouTuber, and he's saying $20 to $30 is going to pay for it. This person is saying $100 to $300, that is what he's going to pay for it. So you can just select the one you want. You can even start small. You don't need to start for higher one, going for $300 or so. You can start with $20 to $30. Just start with something little, and then you can just scale yourself after some time. So you can just come here, and then that is all you actually need to do. You see, this is not like the survey, this is not like listening to music. This is a real job, and if you can spend your time on this website, getting your portfolio, and then fill up your stuff, you will be able to earn from this money. The good thing about this job is 100% remote, so they don't need you to relocate anywhere. You can just be in your sitting room, designing for them, using it as your second job or your first job, and then you'll be earning from this website massively. Like I said, I'm going to be linking this website in the description, so you can just click on it. You can register also and start getting your first job. If you want to design for me for free also, you can also apply. Of course, I'm going to give you the slot. So having said that, if you are new on this channel, you are welcome. So I need you to click on the like and the share button. Share this video with someone. Also subscribe to the channel because we are going to be hitting 6,000 subscribers very soon. And we plan to do a small giveaway just to appreciate you guys for everything you've been doing for this channel. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, share this video with someone, and of course I'm going to be catching you in the next one because the next one is going to be better than the previous one. My name is Akere, and I'll catch you in the next one as usual. Bye for now.